Hi. So, guys, you have an IFT call. You are preparing for IFT second stage process, but there are a lot of doubts which are coming up. Although a lot of things are very much clear when you visit their selection list. When you visit their website and you find that selection list where 5,000 plus names are there. So that means 5,000 के ऊपर calls हैं. So competition would be good. Competition would be tough. Get ready for that. It would not be an easy cakewalk to convert this call. लेकिन जो क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा है मेरे पास रोज की IFT सेकंड स्टेज प्रोसेस में सर क्या होगा, GD खत्म कर दिया, तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोसेस एंड प्रोसेस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 3rd of April यानी डे आफ्टर टुमारो. आप लोगों को डेट आ गया है, आपके नाम के आगे आपका डेट लिखा हुआ है, तो क्या करना है उस दिन, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. मे बी लेट्स से टुमारो व्हाट ऑल यू कैन डू, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. So the admission process of second round in IFT this year would consist of only two things. One is extempore and other is personal interview. So extempore which they are taking could be a knowledge based, we'll discuss that, and personal interview is they have a trend where they ask everything right from your profile to your academic subjects to foreign policies and everything. I mean there is no such thing which I can say this is not important and this is more important. So online process is starting from 3rd of April and this year mode is online, only online. So let's understand this. You would require to download MS Teams app on their laptop, on your laptop, on your desktop. A link to join this MS Teams will be sent to the candidate registered email in 1 day advance of their date. So let's say my date is on 4th, you will get this link on 3rd. My date is on 5th, you will get this link on 4th, 1 day in advance. At the designated date and time, candidates will be required to join by clicking on the provided link. Executive of IFT will call you on your registered mobile number in advance and will explain everything. Candidates will be required to join the session 10 minutes prior to the scheduled time. I would request you to join the session 15 to 20 minutes prior to your time. Candidates must appear through either a desktop or laptop. Please do not play with these instructions. Appear with a desktop or a laptop that has camera, webcam installed in it. Mobile phones are prohibited. Please do not take this lightly and do not take your interview on mobile phone. It's advisable, highly advisable that you go on desktop or laptop only. They may debar you. The audio video must be switched on for the entire duration of the process and no third person is allowed in the room. Please follow these principles in principle, and these are very well mentioned on their website. You can check it out. You would require a stable internet connection. I would suggest don't go for a mobile net connection, go for a Wi-Fi connection with high speed and white or lighter colored background for the clear visibility. Candidate must show a valid photo ID proof for verification such as Aadhaar card, voter ID, passport, driver license before the process. So you'd be required to show original ID card. Any one ID card which is mentioned here, you can show it and then you can register for the process. Now, let's understand two parts. One part is your extempore and the other part is interviews. First, let's talk about extempore. वैसे तो तुम सोच रहे होगे इतने सारे भी स्कूल्स के तो प्रोसेस खत्म हो गए, फाइनल रिजल्ट आ गया और अब हम ये स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं. IFT is little late. For the first time they are doing it through CAT. FMS is also doing it. So this is the usual month when they do it. So उनके लिए लेट नहीं है. हाँ, लेकिन अगर हमारी कॉल्स कन्वर्ट हो गई हैं, हमें फीस जमा करानी है, तो एक अगला क्वेश्चन मार्क दिमाग में घूम रहा है. उन सब चीजों को साइड में रख के बी फोकस्ड ऑन एक्सटेम्परी and your interview preparation. As far as extempore is concerned, don't think that you will get a kiddish topic. You will get 2 minutes to speak in the interview room itself. They'll give you one topic and they'll ask you to talk on that topic for 2 minutes. So ensure that you speak for 2 minutes. Keep in mind कि थोड़ा घड़ी का ध्यान रहे, हम ज्यादा एक्सटेंड नहीं करें, हम बहुत कम छोटा बोल के खत्म नहीं कर दें. They have a right to ask you 1 or 2 question on whatever you said on the topic. Topics को उन्होंने एक PDF शेयर किया था, उसी को एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, उसी से ये समझा रहा हूं that topics could be कोर नॉलेज बेस. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि कोई एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक आ जाएगा या कोई भी सोशल इशू आ जाएगा. नहीं, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट. Was post pandemic resurgence too steep? Nifty nearly touched 90,000 comment. So this 19,000 figure could be for today, and then they can ask you about this. Comment on this. India is the fastest growing economy in the world. India is the 5th largest GDP. Is that enough? India is the world's largest producer of milk, pulse, jute and spices. Just look at this. That topics are core knowledge base. मतलब knowledge नहीं है तो मैं play out नहीं कर सकता, मैं हवा में तीर नहीं चला सकता. Science and technology. They can ask you about green energy, to comment on green energy. They can ask you to comment on alternative fuels. They can ask you to comment on EVs. All these things can be there. Now, something very interesting. Can we move to Mars? Question mark. This is an extempore topic. You have to speak for 2 minutes and then expect some questions. Show scientific imagination. Show creativity and inclination, where you can show scientific imagination. जो tech inclination है वो show करना है. Existing and potential impacts of ChatGPT. You guys are using it nowadays, so they are asking you this. Government schemes and activity. It could be on schemes, it could be on social schemes, it could be on green credit program, Amrit Dharohar, it can be on impact of India, Australia, ECTA, should reservation be removed, some controversial topics like this. You have to be very careful when you handle such sensitive issues. Global economy, they can even give you topics on global economy. You are going for an MIB program, Masters in International Business. So again, be mentally prepared that you can get this kind of a topic also. Society issues, it could be pollution, it could be Yamuna issue, it could be ozone layer, it could be effects of global warming, climate change, etc. ये सब जो है social issues है. Sedentary lifestyles, bad posture and fast food. This is now where you can play with your language, because यहाँ knowledge base है, concrete knowledge नहीं चाहिए इसमें, social issues में, issues of society में. Ethics, you can have topics on brand endorsement, ethics in brand endorsement. I mean, Kapil Dev Saab doing advertisement for a pan masala, you can have a topic like this. So, smoking and drinking be legal, you can have topics like this. Should we move to Mars? अच्छा ये तो मैंने already ले लिया. Should a self-driving car try to save a pedestrian or the passenger in case of an imminent collision? Something like this. Creativity and imagination. So these are some of the topics that you can expect in the extempore part. Now come to the interview part. You have been trained well by us. You have prepared your answers. Last advice is academic subject, your profile, and let's say something related to your understanding of an international business course. Why do you wish to go for an MIB program? You may not get a direct question on this, but they will certainly try to identify that inclination from each and every answer that you will give, right from your intro to any other question that they've asked. Okay, so get yourself for miscellaneous general topics for extempore. Managers versus leaders. Is management a science or an art? Rise of OTT platforms. These are some generic issues which I classify them as non-knowledge, concrete, miscellaneous topics. And this is all about IFT. Process is starting from day after tomorrow. Please prepare yourself well. Please prepare yourself well, not only from knowledge point of view, but also from tech-based point of view. Technological problem नहीं होनी चाहिए उस दिन कि मेरा process ही खराब हो गया या I could not be a part of the process, etc. So wish you all the best, guys. बहुत सारी calls हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को call किया है. This time it would be a tough fight. Please ensure that you do it well. Wish you all the best. God bless you.